Hey everybody, I'm back. So I have a new sandbox up. I haven't run the code. We're going to do it together. We're going to do it live. What I've done is made my own view. So I followed the year, month, day views that are in the tutorial on Django's documents. So then I thought to as practice and to try to get the hang of this and made sure that I really understood what was going on, I tried to build my own view, which was very successful. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to chat this time with my little face in the corner. And I'm sharing the screen. Yes, I am. All right. Okay, so what I have here, let me turn the server on and show you, is a new view. So let me go to the local host and I'll show you the error message that we get. Whoops, it's 8,000. So many ports, so many apps. So what I have is this new one. You can see that instead of an integer and the year, is expecting the string and the operating system. So let's take a look, right? Show version /NXOS. And hey, look, these are the results for NXOS because these 4 different captures have all been run against the Nexus. Well, let's try it, right? Let's see if this works. Where what I've done is I have a sandbox into the CSR 1000, this test bed, and I'm going to modify, let me grab the command. I'm going to run the same code and let PyATS, it's going to sort out that it's NXOS versus iOS and hopefully return the same data for that iOS version. So let's try to run it. And I'm doing this for the first time. You're here with me together. Let's see what happens. Okay, we have an error and it looks like it's the template platform. You see, because I have to write a custom for the operating system, and this is part of the problem with PyATS, is that it's not always 100% between the operating systems. All right, well that didn't go as well as I thought. I'm going to have to take a look and see about keying in on the operating system and depending on what it is, using a different set of data. Well, that's how it goes. They kind of advertise that these parsed functions and commands should work agnostically regardless of platform. But as you can see, that's not the case with show version. So I'm going to take a look and see what's going on here. I'll be back in a few minutes.